Hey guys, welcome to Planet Mark, and today we're doing the ukulele lesson for Ariana Grande's new song, Needy, off the brand new album, Thank You Next. We'll go for all of the best songs on this new album. We've already got 7 Rings and Break Up Your Girlfriend. So it's Needy's turn to get the ukulele Planet Mark tutorial. So, this is a really easy song, even for the most beginner of ukulele players would be able to play this song by the end of this tutorial, this tab lesson. I guarantee it. I'll quickly play you a quick snippet just so you know how it's going to sound, then tell you the chords, break them down if you need it, and show you how to play it. And I could be needy, so damn needy. Tell me how good it feels to be needed. Tell me needy, so hard to please me. Tell me how good it feels to be needed. Obviously there's loads of different ways of playing like in the strum pattern, but I'll go through a couple different variations. So the 4 chords, the only 4 chords you're going to need. They sound a little bit challenging, but trust me, they're not. It's D sharp. I have no idea what this one's called. It's kind of like imagine a G chord, but reverse is probably the best way I could describe it. I'll break it down in a minute if you need that. A C sharp and C major sharp or C sharp major. They're the only 4 chords. But, like I say, I'm going to break them for you right now. So D sharp. Get your first finger and put that on the first string, first fret. Then get your 3rd finger and bar the 2nd, 3rd and 4th strings, 3rd fret. The next one, this weird one, I'm calling like an inverted G. Tell me in the comment section below if you actually know the name of this chord. It's 1st string, 2nd fret. 2nd string, 1st fret. And 3rd string, 2nd fret. Open on the 4th. And then it's a C minor chord, that's 1st finger barring the 1st, 2nd and 3rd strings, 3rd fret. Then 4th string, 5th fret. Then to play a C sharp major, just scooch that up 1 fret and get your middle finger and put that down on the 3rd string, now at the 5th fret. So from the 1st string it's 1st string 4th fret, 2nd string 4th fret, 3rd string 5th fret, 4th string 6th fret. They're the only 4 chords that we're going to need. So pretty much the entire way through they're going to be playing this chord progression. That's a D sharp, inverted G, that's what I'm going to call it from now on. C minor, C sharp major. And you probably see on YouTube like somebody else, I don't think it is Ariana Grande, but playing the ukulele for this song, like a snippet of it. I really don't think it, I might be wrong though, I'm not great with celebrities. But anyway, yeah, so it's not quite this version, but I personally find this version a lot better. 4 downstrokes, that's how easy it is. I mean, you could do it that, or you could do. And I could be needy, so damn needy. Tell me how good it feels to be needed. Tell me needy, so hard to please me. Tell me how good it feels to be needed. I'm going to do this like 1 downstroke, slap, another downstroke, slap. You don't feel comfortable with slapping, maybe you can do. That's just down, down, up, up, down, up. Really, it's whatever you find best. Here's that down, down, up, down, up. I'm the kind of person that does all those chukkas, like these mute strings, down, up, in between, just make it a little bit fancy. But the point of this song is like it's supposed to be slow and like really stagnated and staccato. But so you don't want to vary it too much. So I could be needed, so damn needed. I could be needed. Tell me how good it feels to be needed. I could be needed, so hard to please me. Tell me how good it feels to be needed. And that's pretty much it for this entire song. Like I said, it's really easy. Hopefully you're playing along right now with this song. And remember, if you love Ariana Grande or just pretty much new ukulele lessons, then definitely subscribe to Planet Mark and hit that bell notification to be told of the next great upload. And tell me in the comment section below, because we're doing all of the songs on this album, or the best songs in this album, what song from this album, from Thank You Next, should I do next? I pretty much just go off what your suggestions. So if you're wanting to play another song from this album, or a new song at the moment which you can't quite figure out, then tell me. I'm here. I'm always up for suggestions. Like this video, share it around, follow us on Twitter at PlanetMarkVlog or Facebook.com/PlanetMarkVlog. See you in the next one, guys. Bye 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 bye.